Welcome to New Car Info. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tricycle Camper, a revolutionary blend of compact design and modern amenities, perfect for the eco-conscious adventurer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Tricycle Camper boasts a sleek, aerodynamic profile that seamlessly merges form and function. Its three-wheeled configuration not only enhances stability but also ensures easy maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating both city streets and winding country roads. The lightweight frame is constructed from sustainable materials, reflecting a commitment to eco-friendly travel. Moving inside, the interior is a masterclass in space optimization. Despite its compact size, the camper offers a cozy living area equipped with a convertible seating arrangement that transforms into a comfortable sleeping space. The kitchenette features an induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and ample storage, allowing for convenient meal preparations on the go. Thoughtful design elements, such as multifunctional furniture and hidden compartments, maximize utility without compromising comfort. Performance-wise, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, delivering a harmonious balance between efficiency and power. This setup ensures a respectable range, allowing travelers to embark on extended journeys with confidence. The regenerative braking system further enhances energy efficiency by recapturing energy during deceleration. Additionally, the camper's compact dimensions contribute to superior fuel economy, making it a cost-effective choice for long-distance travel. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is positioned competitively within the market. While exact figures may vary based on optional features and regional factors, it offers an affordable entry point for those seeking a versatile and sustainable travel solution. Its cost-effectiveness is further underscored by low maintenance requirements and the potential for reduced fuel expenses, thanks to its efficient hybrid system. In summary, the 2025 Tricycle Camper stands out as a pioneering option for travelers desiring a compact, efficient, and eco-friendly vehicle. Its thoughtful design, commendable performance, and accessible pricing make it a compelling choice for modern adventurers. For a more in-depth visual tour and additional insights, check out our comprehensive video review linked below.